Hello everybody. This is the first unboxing of the AuCar 9-inch Android head unit. Just got it in today. Very excited to get it installed. It did come with all the mounting hardware, or I guess the plug and play, everything. Wi-Fi antennas. Also, I did get the backup camera with it, so I'll be installing that also. Now, one thing that I did notice, it is a gloss black with the silver, I guess, where the buttons go. My 2013 Granturismo has kind of that, the flat rubbery trim, and kind of has a black chrome buttons area instead of the silver. So what I did, kind of looking at the pictures, I kind of knew what it was going to come like. I did buy a roll of interior wrap by Vivid. It is a black chrome. I put it up next to my where my air conditioner controls are, and it's surrounded by kind of a black chrome area, and it actually matches very close. So what I'm going to be doing is wrapping these buttons here, this area right here, in the black chrome. I'm going to do that very first. So I'll probably do that off camera, and then just show it as when it's all finished. I'm not sure how many people are going to want to do that, but I do like the gloss black. When I put it up in the car, it does look nice. I do have the carbon fiber accents in the interior, but I don't have the carbon fiber package, so it is that silver carbon fiber. But anyhow, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing several videos, installation, installing the camera. I am going to kind of take my time. So over the next few days, I'm going to do it right, take my time, not mess anything up. If anybody has any questions, go ahead and ask away. I'm not the first one to install this, obviously, but I do want to. I know there's a lot of people that are wanting this, wanting a unit like this. Now, one thing I do want to make clear: this unit replaces the original one. You do not have to take your original radio or head unit and stick it in the trunk. That's ridiculous. I can't believe somebody didn't come out with a unit like this a long time ago. This will actually function and have all the functionality as the OEM radio, and there's no warning lights, no flashing odometer, as people have reported on other units. So this will actually replace it. So I'm planning on, if this works like it should, I'm going to be selling my original one. There's no reason to keep it at all, not this day and age. So if anybody has any questions, shoot away. Thank you.